Well, good morning. I think this is the first video of 2026. It is January 26th, 2026, and we're getting the tail end of the snowstorm. So just a quickie, I actually hooked up the plow that I got for the Jeep, and I'm going to give it a shot. This is a very, very powdery snow, thankfully. So we're supposed to get a few more inches. I'm not sure how many we have. We got enough. It's beautiful. Winter wonderland. Where is Mr. Jake? Oh yes. When it snows, he'll pee on the deck, which is good because I'm going to take him out per se. All right. Well, this is just a shorty, and I'll probably do some grilling for dinner tonight, tomorrow. It's supposed to get really cold for the next couple of days, so I got the fire. I guess you can't see the chimney. Just maybe barely at the top. I just fired it up. And I got the Jeep warming up, so I'm just going to push the snow down to where the trailer is and just see how it goes. It's the first time using it. So, with all that said, hope everyone has a great day. And until next time, God bless.